Market update time. Let's get straight into it. Do not place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video. Trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There is no guarantees of making money in the markets, and trading is the most hardest thing you will ever do, and it takes a long time to become a good trader. So this video is just educational only. If you're struggling with your trading right now, then click on the very first link in the description and get learn a free training, the 7 universal laws to become a master trader that will boost your success, consistency, and confidence without spending a decade trying to figure it out. Click on the very first link in the description right now. All right, hey traders, hope you're doing well. Quick little market update across the board, see what's going on right now. What's going on for the stock market and gold and silver in this video. So the first thing I want to share with you guys is what happened with the Dow Jones. If you guys remember, I did a video yesterday saying that we could continue dropping down, or we may have a little reversal back up into the resistance level. Well, obviously the market has continued to run up to the resistance level, and you notice how the market has actually stopped where we are right now. It's stopped where we are right now, and how we found this resistance, found support, broke back down, came back up. Now we're finding this area of resistance once again. And as you can see there, right, you can see how the market's rallied back up, hit the resistance, and now sort of just hold there. Now it's really interesting to see that that's the Dow Jones there, okay? Now if I go look at the S&P 500, which is this one right here, you can see the S&P 500 has actually indeed broken back above its resistance level. Now, for me, the Dow Jones is the leader, so I'm going to keep watching that, and also the Nasdaq as well too has continued to rise up as well too. So we'll continue to see that rise, but that Nasdaq once again is right at that resistance level. And if you look at the hourly chart, bring up this hourly chart, what could this be here? This could be another what? Lower high, and we could just see this market continue to roll down and roll over. Is it going? Are we about to see turnaround Tuesday? I heard someone say that recently. So is it going to be turnaround Tuesday? Not sure. So let's just see what happens with that. But if it does roll over, then we look out below, because we're likely to see a lot more downside to come out of that. Looking on the silver and gold right now, pretty much nothing to report on the silver and gold. Pretty much just sideways overall. But I want to keep reminding you guys of this big sort of pennant, a big sort of triangle pattern where we are right now on gold, or on silver should I say. And once silver breaks out of this pennant, then we're likely to see some pretty hard and fast movement, I believe, once the breakout actually happens. And the same for the gold price as well too. Gold is pretty much doing nothing, but once again, look at the gold price through here, and look what's happening here on the actual gold price. We're still that bull flag through there, rallying back up. So I believe, well, once we break this, guys, I tell you, as you can see, this massive bottoming pattern, massive, yeah, you can see that we're now breaking. When we do start to break out of this thing here, this is going to see a pretty vertical move. So a quick little update for you guys on there, and a quick little update on Bitcoin as well too, for you guys that are interested in my Bitcoin. A few days ago, I did analysis on Bitcoin, and I said that looks like we're about to see some more upside on the market. This is actually the Bitcoin here, the Bitcoin. Let me just open up this chart pretty full from here to here. And let me open up this chart from there to there. And so as we can see, right, on Bitcoin, we've started to actually have this major higher low, and now we're rallying back up. Do we continue to break this level through here, or do we continue to rise? Now, I must say, I did a video a while ago on Bitcoin, and this is where some people have to be stop being so naive about what they think about the market, and basically what the actual charts are telling. So you can see here that if I bring up, let me bring up my this one here. So I did a video called, let me just share this with you here right now. Right, so so this is the video right here. Okay, so the video was right here. The video was titled, "Is Bitcoin About to Rise?" And as you can see, Bitcoin was down here, 9,518, and I said, well, it looks like we're about to get a rise back up. And as you can see, I was doing little graphs there. And so if I bring up my actual Bitcoin chart, right, this is the actual Bitcoin current chart. You can see we're down here at 9,000 when I actually did this, and now we've actually rallied back up. So even though I've been a bear in Bitcoin, I did say, are we about to see a rise? And we actually got that rise. Now, I did get a comment here, and This one right here, Novaka. I analyze this chart every day. I assure you there is no bullish possibility. I've been shorting hard since 11,000, following the 50 MA, which is a wrong thing to do. You shouldn't just follow 50 MA on the daily, and you'll see the TGE major resistance. Also zoom on the 2 hourly, check the volume. Why are you trading something long term when you're trading the 2 hourly chart? It has nothing to do with each other. If you're trading something long term, then yeah. The top daily candle reversal at major resistance, nothing bullish. It was just a bear trap. Delusion still too strong. Now, once again, and I basically said on that video, I basically said, you know, don't be so naive. Watch the market, watch Bitcoin, and as you can see, this is exactly what's happening with Bitcoin right now. I don't know what's going to happen with Bitcoin next, but I do say that we are forming this major bottoming pattern here. So this does look like we may see some more upside to come, but we still have that opportunity. We still have that chance of it breaking down now and continuing this downward movement. So we need to see a strong movement out of this market here. And if we do, then we could probably see another spike in Bitcoin way back up again.